Hi, good morning, student. Now, today we are start exponent. This topics belong to class 8. This is the second chapter of our class 8 exponents. First of all, what is exponent? Exponent means this is the power of integers. Exponential power is called the exponent. It means if you multiply integers, same integer so many times, that is the getting the power is called the exponential power. Examples: if you multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, how much time? 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means 2 to the power 6. This is the exponential power, or this is the base. 2 is the base and 6 is the exponential power. Clear? And this will be the negative as well as पॉजिटिव. एक्सपोनेंशियल पावर जो है वो आपका निगेटिव भी हो सकता है और आपका वो पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. सपोज 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू अप टू n डिवाइडेड बाय 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 into up to n. That means 2 to the power n and 3 to the power n, where n is the exponential power and this is the exponential, or this is the power. Okay, that means this number n represent the exponential of our exponent. This is the basic thing. And now in exponent, some laws are given to easy to solve any questions. Some important law are given. Important law you learn clearly. Only 6 law of our exponent. Very important, because it comes in your coming all classes, the law of exponent. ये सीखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि ये हमारे आने वाले सारे क्लास में इसका एप्लीकेशन इसको हमको दोबारा सीखना है, पढ़ना है, जानना है. तो सबसे फर्स्ट लॉ क्या कहता है? a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n. सॉल्व करेंगे तो 8 by b इंटू पावर n प्लस n. दैट मीन्स अगर कोई भी एक्सपोनेंट का बेस सेम होता है तो उसका पावर क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. एग्जांपल देखते हैं. 3 by 4 टू द पावर 2 इंटू 3 by 4 to the power 3. See here, the both side the base will be the same. Base is same, then 3 by 4 to the power 2 plus 3, that means 3 by 4 to the 5. Now solve 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 and 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. This is the solve to easy process. This is the law of exponential, first law of exponent, by which you can solve, then you get the result. Okay. Now what is the say second law. Second law means the base will be same, but here sign will be changed. Here sign will be the division. First law से multiplication and second law से division. That's why the sign also be the change. Here plus sign, that is the minus sign. If you take the example 4 by 3, 7 divided by 3 by 4, 5, then 3 by 4 to the 7 minus 5 is equal to 3 by 4 to the 2, 3 into 3 by 4 into 4. If you multiply, then you get the result. Okay, this is the second exponent. And now third exponent. What says the third exponent? Three by 4 to the power 2 to the whole power 2. Then what can you do? 3 by 4, 2 into 2. That means 3 to the power 3 by 4 to the power 4. Then you 4, 3. Solve and get the result. This is the process of second law. And now third law, the fractional and rational number will be changed. 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. The power will be n. Then the power will be 2. Then you can write 1 by 2 the power 2 into 3 to the 4 power 2. दोनों अगर कंबाइन दिया है तो हम लोग उसको इंडिविजुअली अलग अलग कर सकते हैं. तो 1 by 4 into 9 by 16 and then now solve and multiply, get your answer. Okay, and now next law say if 4 by 3 to the power minus 2, then 3 by 4 the sign will be changed into the positive form. This will be the change, numerator change in the denominator and denominator change in the numerator. Then 9 by 16 will be the answer. Okay, now the last exponent law say that 3 by 4 to the power 0, then result will be the 1. याद रखिए किसी भी एक्सपोनेंट में किसी भी नंबर का पावर अगर 0 शो करता है तो इसका मतलब ये है कि उसका वैल्यू 1 होगा. वो वैल्यू कितना भी हो, सपोज मान लो 9 4 2 6 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 9 3 1 2, the power will be 0, then result will be 1. वो नंबर कोई भी हो, कैसा भी हो, उसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा? 1 आएगा. ये हमारा लास्ट एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ लॉ. प्लीज स्टूडेंट always remember only 6 law of exponent. This is the very important for your. And now the next topic, number in the standard form. Standard form means here 4 6 2 9 3 6. Standard form means first you count 1 2 3 4 5 means 4.62936 into 10 to the power how much number? 1 2 3 4 5. That is the 5. Then you cannot write the whole number after decimals, only 4.6 last up to 2, then you write the 5. That's the standard form of our number. And now if you 4 0 0 0 0 0, this is the change in the standard form. First you write 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 and decimal 0 into 10 to the power 6. This is the standard form of our number. And now change in the usual form. If you write in the normal 4 0 0 0 0 0, this is the usual form of our number. The question asks your exam, change the normal number to the usual number to the standard form to the usual number. This is the two topics are given in our exponent topic, the second chapter. Now I will give the questions and some notes also. This is the thanks.